A circle is centred at the origin. A point that lies on the circle is at 2 minus 1. I've labelled this as red on the circle. Find the radius and hence state the equation of the circle. Now we know that the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared is r squared, where r is my radius. So I want to be figuring out the length of this line here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn this into a triangle at the moment, because I know how to find this length using Pythagoras. So let's redraw this triangle over here. There's my right angle triangle. Now I know that this length here is 1 because it goes 1 down on the axes. And I know that this length here is 2 because it goes 2 across on the axes. Now if I turn that into my squares, so 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now I know, using Pythagoras, that when we add those squares together, I'm going to get the total area of this square. So I've got 1 add 4 is 5. So the area of this square is 5. So if I want to find out what the length of one side of that square is, I need to do the square root of 5. So here's going to be the square root of 5 and here's going to be the square root of 5. So my radius for this circle is the square root of 5. But if I look back at the equation of a circle, I actually want r squared, which brings us back to r squared being root 5 squared, which is just 5. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. So that means that my whole circle equation for the circle is x squared plus y squared is 5. There's my two answers. Radius is root 5, and the equation of the circle, x squared plus y squared is 5.